After labor, I had a really hard time pooping. What's up, Dougie fam?
It's your boy Dez.
It's your girl Dage.
And we are back with another one. As you can see, got the crown.
So before we get into the game, we got, as you can see, we're in a new location. We have the honors of CKFU. Now, our brother, I forgot which video it was, but we gave him a shout out. He is a YouTube creator as well, and we'll put his information below. But he is going to be asking us some questions, and we're going to be playing truth or shot.
So if you want to tell the truth, you gotta pull you one. Take a shot. But make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it, comment.
Put your post notifications
all
on.
That good stuff. Because we dropping bangers.
Alright. And by the way, we took a starter shot just so we could,
Get right.
Alright.
Alright, so I have composed a list of 12 questions for Dage and Dez, and we're gonna go ahead and kick things off. No need to procrastinate. Question number 1: what's a secret that you've been too embarrassed to tell one another?
I don't have. So what if we don't have like an answer for it? Do we still have to take a shot?
I would say something a secret that you overcame, something that.
Okay, I got one, and I feel like any woman that has had a baby can relate to this. Transparency. After labor, I had a really hard time pooping for like a month straight. Like it was awful. And it was embarrassing because like I'm grown, like it was really embarrassing. And then I was taking Miralax, stool softeners, nothing was helping.
Wow.
And now I'm on fiber every day faithfully, and I don't care if you see it sitting on my counter. Yes, I take fiber and gonna keep doing it.
And I take it too.
See, teamwork makes the dream work.
Keep me right. I don't have a secret. You know all my secrets.
But you gotta say something. I said something. I talked about a bowel movement. It's your turn.
No. There we go.
Why do I know what you're talking about?
I can't put that one out there like that.
Oh no, you can't. You cannot set yourself up with that one. Big dog.
Alright, question number 2. If our relationship was a movie, what genre would it fall under? Examples include romantic comedy, horror, thriller, and what would the title be?
Romantic comedy.
Easily.
What would the title be? There's gotta be some dumb stuff.
That's hard.
That is tough. Down and dirty with the Douglases.
I like that. Down and dirty with the Douglases.
Down and dirty with the Douglases.
That's hot. We should name the channel that.
Alright, y'all ready for question number 3?
Yerp.
When did you realize that your partner had the feels for you and take them seriously?
You go first.
me put that out there?
Tell me first. I don't care. Truth or shot.
Alright.
You ain't about to get me
So I'm ready to
drunk.
be real. When was it? The second time I came out there? The first time?
The
The first time I came out there, I told her I wanted more than just, you know,
to do.
But she kept begging and begging and begging. You were. You know you were.
But don't make it sound like I'm just some hornball. Like, here's the thing. I knew that it was gonna progress, but like I had never been told that. And because I was told that, it made me want it more. But we still made it through the first weekend without doing anything. So
Next weekend.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, Dave, when did you know that Dez had the feels for you and you took him seriously?
so I think it was when I was in the DR for spring break my senior year, and I kept posting pictures on Snapchat. He kept replying to them. Mind you, this was like even spring break, like March. It's like March, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this was March. We had been texting occasionally for like 4 months by then. And
she was playing games with me, y'all.
And he kept replying with little heart eyes and da, 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 and I was like, okay. So I couldn't really text him because, you know, spring. No. But when I got back, that's when we started texting for real. I didn't interrupt you, I don't think.
I didn't interrupt. So.
But that's when I started like really texting him. We started FaceTiming every day, and then yeah, that's when I took it serious.
Okay.
Because he's told you.
Oh yeah, that
Take
happened
it
too.
serious too.
How C sees it, what
Yes.
can I say?
Yes.
Okay, question number 4. Do you think each other are more attractive now or when you first met one another?
You gotta think about that.
No, don't even do that. Don't do that. I think it's both equal.
So I don't look better than when you first met me.
But you always look good.
Dog, that ain't the question. I don't look better than when you first met me.
Don't it? See?
Nope. I done changed my hair up.
See?
I cut all my hair off.
Really, nigga?
Like, wow.
No, it's not. It ain't even like that though. It's not like that.
So what is it like? Am I like not aging backwards? Like I don't look better than when you first met me?
You look the same, but it's the. You don't realize that you always look good though. Next question.
Even first thing in the morning with my neck?
Next question.
If I could insert on that one, how C sees it, you know, attractiveness comes in many levels. So I think he was trying to
Thank you.
understand.
Help me out.
He always found you physically attractive, but is he more emotionally, mentally attracted to you now? He was trying to figure out how he can incorporate that.
Emotionally, it's a lot.
I think that he is more attractive, especially with the bald head. I like the baldy.
Okay. Question number 5.
Oh, I ain't drinking today.
What is your least favorite personality trait about me?
For that,
For your own troubles.
toast on that one. 'Cause
Yeah.
I ain't answering that one. That's an argument question. Right there.
And not to say that we haven't had these conversations before, but like, they usually don't play out well. I'm not even gonna lie, it usually kind of leads to one person getting defensive. So we know what we, both need to work on personally, and we try to do that. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it there.
All right. Question number 6. What is your biggest physical insecurity?
Why? You don't have one? Ooh.
That's what I'm talking about.
The thing is, do I answer this or do I just bite the bullet?
There you go.
Yeah. Transparency can only go but so far. It's translucent. Let's put it that way. Damn, I think I put too much.
Go ahead. Shot o'clock.
Whew. That
one got stuck, didn't it?
Yeah. It was too soon after the last one.
I was gonna suggest a halfway through question shot, but I guess we're gonna skip that.
Let's
Go
do that.
ahead. Let's go. Halfway.
We halfway through.
Let's go.
We're 50% of the way.
I ain't no punk. Anybody who know me know.
Kim ain't reason no punk.
Neither did Tara. So, shout out to the OGs. That would almost say go down.
We're back for round 2. Okay.
Does it get worse?
How many shots did it took?
One first. I say 4. I think 4.
4. We're 4.
I don't even take shots like this no more.
If I was a different race, do you think we could have still made our relationship work?
Hey, we talk about this all the time. Nope.
No.
Nope.
And we are not racist.
We're not. Because we even say if I was light skinned and she was my complexion,
I don't think I would be, and we're not colorists either. Is that the right term? I think. But everybody got a preference. I don't care what you say. And my preference has always been a darker complexion than myself. And his preference has always been a lighter complexion than himself. Not to say that he's never found a brown skinned girl attractive. It's just that he's drawn to what he's drawn to, and vice versa. And a white man can't handle me. And that's just that.
And that's just that. Question number 7. What is your favorite thing about being around my family?
Come on, man, real funny.
I knew that's what you was gonna say.
Funny, bro.
I think I would have to say my favorite thing is the fact that your family literally treats me like I was born in that family. Like, it's never been a forced relationship between me and your family, especially your mom.
Facts.
Yeah, she bought me Christmas presents, like my own Christmas presents, not ours.
I know.
Maybe some of y'all's in-laws do that, but I think that's cute.
No, that's super lit. Have you ever used a dating app before we met?
Everybody been on
Tinder.
Everybody been on
You get
that.
bored in college
If
sometimes.
you ain't been on Tinder,
Don't now. People weird.
if you say you ain't been on Tinder, you a lie.
I think everybody has gotten on a dating app to at least like see what it's hidden for, even if you don't take it anywhere or delete it the next day. Like, once I found out what Tinder was for, I cut that off.
Boy, if you don't get...
Just because you've been on a dating app doesn't mean you've hooked up with somebody on one. So we want to preface that.
Yes.
So.
And if that's how you met your significant other, kudos.
More power to you. Ready for the next?
You're.
Am I lit? I feel like I might be a little lit. Oh, Jesus.
Where do you see us in the next 5 years, physically and in our relationship?
I see me pregnant with our 3rd child, physically. I see us in a house that we built from the ground up, in a state that's not Virginia. Not sure where though.
That's warm.
Yes,
Always warm.
probably a warm state.
Always warm.
I see us being able to get up every day and record a video for YouTube, and that just be what we do because that's what we enjoy doing, and it pays the bills too.
Because we gonna blow up off this.
I think
Watch.
that's it. Oh, and I see me in a G-Wagon having brunch with Cardi B.
I love that.
That's my girl. You're not gonna tell me we not friends for real. One day she gonna see this and be like, "Ew, that's my girl."
This one is a tough one. Number 10. Y'all ready? If someone offered you an endless amount of money to never talk to me again, but see Dylan whenever you wanted to, what would you do?
So no, hold on. How much money we talking about?
Endless.
Endless.
No end. Until
So hold on. What does like talking like we talking like this face to face?
No interaction.
No answer. Oh no, never. I wouldn't take it.
Deja?
You ain't gotta roll your eyes.
Yeah. My love is unconditional. So ain't no amount of money. Cause I would be bored. Aside from the fact that I would be sad, I would be really, really bored because Dylan can only do so much right now.
Right. Good answer. Question number 11. Do you like my cooking or your mother's better?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a shot on that one. You can't go against the grain of who raised you.
It's hard because like you're a
I
chef.
just answer the question. So do I
I'm
need to
not-
take a shot?
Oh wait, so you think your mom
Take a
cooking better than
shot.
mine?
Well, I didn't say that.
I won't go say
See,
one
you
way
know
or
what?
the next.
I'm gonna just go ahead. And
I'm
do
just
this.
saying you're an
Nope.
aspiring chef,
Nope.
and so is my mom.
Hold on. I'm gonna just go
The whole
ahead.
time.
I'm gonna just go ahead and take the shot. Cause I'm not gonna go no further than what I just said. So we're gonna go ahead and do that.
See, that was more spaced out. That one was easier to get down. Back-to-back shots is a thing of the past.
Very much college.
How did we do that?
The Lord was on our side.
But God.
Somebody prayed for us.
Honestly,
real.
because whew, yikes.
Last but not least,
My shit's gonna be hard.
the last time you spoke with, texted, or snapped an ex or got a snap from them,
Never.
what did you do
None.
and did you tell each other?
Ain't happening. Ain't happening.
Yeah, I think all his exes
They-
been in hiding.
They
or something,
they
'cause
already know. She crazy. She don't.
I wouldn't even say crazy.
She
I would
don't.
just
She don't play when it comes to me.
I would just say like temper short. Very much so.
Makes sense.
I done checked a couple already, so.
But yeah, the last time here, I've said this before. I've never had a boyfriend before him. He was my first boyfriend. Everything else was just very much a waste of my time. I did have a thing of the past to hit me up before to congratulate me on finding a boyfriend and said, like, I'm glad you found somebody that appreciates you.
Well, thanks for letting me know you didn't.
Exactly. But of course I showed him and I blocked him. Because it was kind of weird, like, you don't need to tell me that. I didn't look for validation from you. But you know. Yeah. Oh, and I had one call me a few bad names.
Sounds like jealousy to me.
Because they asked me to be their girlfriend and I said no.
Why did you need
I was actually over here. Right, it was like right when I had graduated.
Oh, so this was Ashley's spot.
Yes.
Okay.
And he snapped me and like called me a slut and some other thing. I was just like, ooh, crazy. You're crazy.
Imagine being rejected.
The whole time he had a baby on the way.
Anyway, that concludes our question segment. Are we taking the closing shot?
Oh, you put us on the spot.
Oh my gosh. I ain't no punk. Whew, this bottle getting a little heavy. Eyes getting a little low.
That's a baby shot. You need to fill that all the way up. Yep. She capping. Big capping. There you go. Big dog.
You wasted some.
Big Dage. I done poured more than you.
Ugh.
Come on. Close it out.
Hold on. Hold on. If anybody's taking closing shots, it's going to be all three of us.
Let me pull up, in the thing.
See, one thing about Cease,
He going to drink.
he be on go.
He ain't no punk.
You ain't gotta worry about it.
I think we only have one friend that honestly does not like to drink. Amore.
Oh yeah, she don't like to drink.
Like, that's the only friend we have that doesn't like to drink.
You're...
Oh, that's clear.
Yeah, white.
Ugh. All right. That was awful, and I probably will never do a game like this again.
Never.
Because, wow, I think once I stand up, I might fall.
Never
But
again.
thank y'all.
Truth or shot. You know what I'm saying?
Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment. Follow us on Instagram. Like us on Facebook at Poetic Douglas. Subscribe to the channel. Send it to your mama. Send it to your grandmama.
Yep. Just took my line, but
We about to.
Yep. We about to blow up.
It's only up from here.
I'm trying to tell you.
Thank y'all for letting me be a part. If you follow me too, you know I'm on a little bit of a hiatus, so it felt good to get back in the filming scene. Thank y'all for this opportunity.
Go subscribe.
And we got more collabs coming with some more black creators. And then the next time you see us three recording, you actually gonna see us three.
Recording.
Everybody gonna be in front of the camera.
Turned up.
So yes, like I said, make sure you do all that extra stuff.
Don't miss it.
Yes. Peace.
And we gone.